Button Fix is a versatile secret fixing system for many different types of panel. This film shows how the system is ideal for fixing a bath panel, quick to install and giving you easy access to the plumbing connections, all without any visible screws. We're using the Type 2 fix, which is specifically designed for easy removal of the panel with a straight pull, and the lime green button. We are also using the red fix marker, a handy accessory that will enable us to set out accurately all the fittings without needing a tape measure or pencil. We've also got a 5mm diameter countersunk wood screw for each button and a pair of 4.5mm panhead screws for each fix moulding. We're going to attach the buttons to the softwood frame below the bath, using the marker accessory to help position them. First, assemble the marker onto the fix moulding, as you can see here. Then snap a button into the jaws of the fix. Next, align the marker to the front face of the timber stud. This way, the button is the correct distance back from the face, so we can confidently mark the centre and screw the button firmly in place. Position the button fixes so that they will support the panel every 600mm or closer. 6 fixings will be enough for this job, but you may need more for panels of different size or stiffness to make sure they are held flat. We're now ready to position the bath panel, using packers at the floor to make sure the panel aligns correctly with the rim of the bath. When you're happy with the position, press firmly over each button fix assembly. The markers will leave indents in the back of the panel to show where the fixes need to go. Next, dismantle the fixes and markers from the buttons. Using the indents we've just made on the back face as guides, screw the fixes to the panel. The holes in the fix are slotted, so you have some side-to-side adjustment if you need it. For thin panels, we recommend you use Varianta or Euro screws intended for a 3mm diameter pilot hole, instead of regular wood screws. You can find a guide to suggested screw sizes on our website. With all 6 fixes in place, we can now install the panel onto the bath. It's a straight push-on, so there's no need for large clearances at the side. You may find a suction pad helpful to remove the panel if there's no accessible edge to grip. Thanks to Button Fix, we've quickly and accurately installed a removable bath panel. No visible fixings and no need for a tape measure or pencil. Designed with a fitter in mind, Button Fix is the secret fixing for panels.